Welcome back to B4 Crypto. In today's video, we're going to concentrate on Bitcoin in the immediate short term. And we're going to find out, are we going to see a massive pump or even a Santa rally? And which are the levels that we need to keep an eye on? And I also found a trade on the 50-minute chart that we can profit from. By the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what is the most valuable asset that you can hold besides Bitcoin. So guys, make sure to watch the video until the end. Smash up the like button and subscribe and activate the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. But before we're going to go over to the charts, I want to remind you all, if you're interested in crypto clothing, go check out cryptoclothing.com over on Instagram. The links will be in the video description below. They will be updating their website very soon, so stay one step ahead. So let's go over to the charts. On the daily chart for Bitcoin, we can see that we are still underneath our heavy resistance round about the levels of $17,200, and we saw this dump towards the downside yesterday. But guys, we are still well above the 61.8, and that is a bullish factor that Bitcoin saw a bounce in these regions. But guys, we're going to go on the lower time frames on the 4-hour chart to find out what is going to be the next move for Bitcoin. And on the 4-hour chart, we can see that we perfectly bounced off from the 61.8. And at the moment, we are still under the 38.2, which is exactly our resistance box round about the $17,200 level. So guys, if we're going to see a Santa rally and a positive move throughout this festive season, I could imagine that Bitcoin will break the 38.2 and that we're going to consolidate in these areas. But guys, if we're going to see a push even higher, I could imagine that we're going to consolidate in between the 61.8 and the 78.6. But guys, let's go on the 50-minute chart to find out what is going to be the trade that we can take to profit on this move. So on the 15-minute chart, we can see that we are holding this support box and that we are having this uptrend and that we have formed this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. So guys, if we're going to see this break of this ascending triangle, we're going to take the measured move all the way from the top to the bottom of this trend line, and then we're going to drag it over to the potential breakout point, and then we can see that our price target is round about the $17,000 level. So guys, if you want to trade these moves, make sure to follow my link in the video description below to BitGet, where you receive a major deposit bonus. But guys, now I'm going to show you this trade setup for this long position. We're going to enter exactly at the break of this trend line. So guys, our take profit will be round about the $17,000 level, and our stop loss should be all the way down here under the previous lows. This would be exactly at the levels of $16,800. So maybe we're going to see this consolidation and stay above this trend line, and you should enter your trade round about the levels of 16,870. So let's make it 16,880 all the way up to the levels of 16,898. So this would be the area where you would open the trade for this long trade all the way up to the levels of $17,000. So guys, if we look at this trade, this is 0.82%. And this means on a 10x leverage, you can make 8% on this gain. But guys, if we see that the price of Bitcoin will go even higher, you can also just adjust your stop loss and pull it all the way up to your entry point. But guys, now we're going to come to the most important part of this video. And before we're going to do that, guys, I want to thank you all for supporting my channel and for being here throughout the year. I really appreciate each subscriber. And guys, if you want to support this channel, smash up the like button and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And now, guys, the most important and the most valuable asset that you can hold is time. And that's why make use of this festive season and use your time and spend it with your loved ones. And switch off the charts, because Bitcoin will still be there and Bitcoin is the money of the future. But guys, the most important asset that you can hold is time. So guys, spend it wisely and be there for your loved ones. And we see each other after the festive season. Make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.